Another major source of outbreaks in Wisconsin, nursing homes. State health officials are still working on a list that would name the more than 100 nursing homes under investigation. Our Stephanie Haynes explains the challenges long-term care facilities face as coronavirus continues to hit them especially hard.
The Wisconsin Department of Health Services is investigating 123 long-term care facilities, and a list of them could be on its website next week. Officials say it's an effort to be transparent in the name of public health, but John Vandermeer doesn't agree. He heads up the Wisconsin Health Care Association and the Wisconsin Center for Assisted Living. He says such a list will mainly affect prospective residents.
The long-term care provider community care a great deal about transparency. And we want to do everything we can to keep the public informed.
More than 40% of Wisconsin's coronavirus deaths are linked to long-term care facilities. In Milwaukee County, data shows the latest 3 COVID-19 deaths were listed as residents at such places. One was listed as a resident at the villa at Bradley Estates. County data shows 4 of those residents have died of coronavirus complications in the past 2 weeks. In a statement, a spokesperson for the facility wrote, quote, "First and foremost, the villa at Bradley Estates is devastated by any loss of life. During this pandemic, loss of life has been particularly heartbreaking as our staff have been working around the clock during this very difficult time fighting this silent enemy." John says the hundreds of facilities he represents are facing budget issues and workforce shortages. He wants to make clear that just because a nursing home has a COVID-19 case doesn't mean poor care. In fact, Lasada Care in Port Washington just announced that an outbreak there has been resolved.
Facilities are really doing everything they can to protect the health and safety of the residents.
In Milwaukee, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.